These are strange insects known to everyone as beetles. They look armored and heavily built when you see the large ones. Their size ranges from very tiny to as big as 3 to 4 inches. Coleoptera is the family they belong to. Beetles and weevils are close allies. Then what is the difference? The very appearance of the weevil makes us recognize them is their proboscis-like appendage. The black insects you see in the rice containers in every house are none other than a small member of this weevil group. Beetles are generally feeders of decaying animal or plant matter and are often seen in our surroundings from trees, flowers to the leaf litter on the ground. They form the largest family of insects known as Carabioides. These are dung roller beetles which spend most of their time on the ground. This is a huge one. See the hard shell on the top and a spade-like appendage in the front which helps it to dig the soil and bury themselves sometimes, and very often making a home to lay their eggs. There are several species of dung roller beetles distributed throughout the world. This dung roller, filmed in top slip, is generally found in forest areas. They roll these balls in an upright position with the head down and rolling it with their hind legs. They are always attracted to fecal matter of animals and are often observed rolling balls out of dung heap of elephants, gores, and other animals. These dung rolls are sometimes larger than their body size, as you can see in the video, and they roll them through treacherous terrain and take them to their destination where they bury them on the soft ground where they lay their eggs. If you find time to observe a heap of poop somewhere in the countryside, wait for a while. You will certainly see these hard workers busily engaging themselves in finding their share of bounty and carrying it away to their nest site to fulfill the aim of life. It is often surprising to note that this insignificant life form that shares our domain has its shares to contribute back to the nature by dispersing seeds to different areas from the dungs of the animals. This goes on inadvertently throughout their lifetime, making plants to survive. Nature's way of replenishing the plant stock. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.